Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making the most silky, smooth and simply delicious lemon buttercream frosting. This is a buttercream frosting that you are going to love because it has got a delicious lemon taste to it, which you can't just substitute with just lemon juice. With this recipe, all your lemon cravings will be cared for. Stay tuned. These are the ingredients we are using for today's lemon buttercream frosting. So we have 2 egg yolks, we have 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, we have 4 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, we have 4 tablespoons of butter. For the buttercream, we'll be using 1 cup of butter, which is 250 grams, and then we'll be using 6 cups of my homemade confectionery sugar, which the recipe is linked below. Then we'll be using the lemon curd, which we'll make in a few minutes time, which will amount to 1 1/4 cup. We'll be using the cling film, the lid of the bowl that contains the butter. We'll also be using a strainer, a whisk, and then our non-stick pan. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Into our saucepan, I'm going to add the lemon juice, our sugar. We also add the egg yolks, and with the whisk I'll combine everything together. After obtaining this beautiful mix, we are going to add in the butter. Then we'll cook it on the stove top on medium-low heat. So we are going to stir till the butter melts, and then we have a nice, smooth and glossy mixture. If you cook it on high heat, because of the egg yolks, it's going to curdle up and then you won't get the mixture that you want. But on low heat, you can achieve the kind of mixture you are aiming at. Now the butter is fully melted. So what is going to happen is that we are going to cook it until it starts to thicken up a bit, and then we take it off the heat. So the mixture is thickening up. I'll be taking it off the source of heat very soon. We've got the mixture that we want, and at this point, if you use a spoon, just look at how thick it is. I want to show you something. If you pass your hand through it, it's going to coat the back of the spoon, and that means our mixture is ready. Place the bowl down, then we'll put our strainer on top of it. Then we'll pour our liquid through it. Now I'm going to strain it. And take it off. To prevent our lemon curd from forming a stain on top of it, I'm going to cover with the cling film. Now I'll store it in the fridge and then we'll make our buttercream frosting. As the lemon curd cools off in the fridge, we are going to start making our buttercream frosting. We'll be using my perfect American buttercream frosting as the base for our recipe that we are making now. So I'll start by creaming the butter until it loosens up for about 3 minutes. After the butter loosens up, we'll start introducing into it the confectionery sugar. So I'll add in 2 cups at a go. We'll add it in 3 batches. After mixing, and then we are about adding in the 3rd cup of the confectionery sugar. We are going to scrape the bowl, add in the sugar and then scrape once more. That will ensure that it mixes nicely and smoothly. Mind the confectionery sugar has 1.5 tablespoons of powdered salt mixed in, so we don't need to add in salt anymore. Picked out the lemon curd from the fridge, it's time for us to add it in. I'll stop the mixer, pour it in with the aid of the spatula, ensure that everything is scraped into our batter mixture and then we don't leave anything in the bowl to be wasted. Now we'll combine everything together until we obtain the most silky, smooth and simply delicious lemon buttercream frosting we are aiming at today. This is how it looks like after all the mixing is done. I'll take it out of the mixer, then clean the paddle attachments with the spatula, ensuring that all the frosting on it is removed. After that, into this bowl, we'll scoop some of the buttercream frosting into it. And this is how it looks like. To store the lemon buttercream frosting, you will need a Ziploc bag according to the quantity that you are storing. We are just storing a little bit of it, which is about 1/4 cup of the whole buttercream that we made. Now I'll scoop the lemon buttercream frosting into the Ziploc bag, push it down and then add in the rest. Then I'll close the ends of the bag, fold it onto its side, ensuring there is no air inside the bag, and then place it in the fridge. Now I'm going to use the lemon buttercream to pipe on 3 cupcakes. So this is how I'm going to pipe the first one. It's kind of a swirl on top all the way, and this is how it looks like. I'll do the same for the second cupcake and the third one. Now I'm going to pipe different designs on the chopping board. So I'll start with a rosette, then I'll make a shelly border, then I'll make interlocked spiral movements, a half rosette, twisted shelly borders and some stars. All are done with a 1 piping tip. Now I'll make this free form swirl, which is just like piping and then raising the piping bag up so that the design is made. And this is how they all look like up close. You can use this buttercream frosting for any kind of design you want to make with your cakes, and it will work amazingly and perfectly. All you need to do is that, depending on the kind of texture you want for your buttercream, you would have to reduce or add in more of the confectionery sugar. This is how the lemon buttercream frosting looks like when it is used for assembling and crumb coating cakes, as well as decorating or piping on them using any design. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.